Damn, it's kind of windier than I thought it was gonna be. Hey everybody, welcome back to John Wayne Airport. It's an absolutely beautiful day, if not a little bit windy. This is gonna be probably a pretty quick video, but I'm gonna take the Cardinal out to French Valley, out in Temecula, to drop it off for its annual. It's not always given that the mechanic is going to be at the airport that the airplane's housed at, or based at. So Brad really likes this shop out in French Valley and has the Bonanza annual done there and the Cardinal annual done there. So we're gonna go drop the Cardinal off and Brad's gonna pick me up. Yeah, I just thought this was kind of an interesting concept to drop a plane off at a mechanic at a different airport. How do you do it? It's the 2-hour drive back from Temecula to Orange County. You have to windy road. So if you can have someone pick you up or drop the plane off, that helps quite a bit. All right, she's all pre-flighted, ready to go. This is a busy airport. Look at this. Holy crap, look at how gorgeous that Falcon is. Oh my God. Wow. Babe, do you want to pick me up at French Valley? Oh. That is insane. Yeah, this place is a zoo. All right, quick little bio break before we hit the skies, and then it's off to Temecula. Here we go. Made it safe and sound, and now I'm gonna go get picked up by Brad. And you can see from the traffic how nice is Aviation. That drive would have taken 2+ hours, and it was like 20-minute flight. Now 20 minutes back, and it's Bonanza time, so it might even be less than 20 minutes. There's my ride. And just like that, we're back at John Wayne. So a little bit of a weird way to take a plane to an annual, but if you can, if you've got a Brad and a Bonanza, or if you have a Bill and a Cardinal, you can have the luxury of picking your mechanic. And Brad, what would you say, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how useful is it to pick a mechanic that doesn't have to be based on the field?
It lets you keep taking the airplanes to people you know and you're familiar with, even if they're not local, which is really nice. So this mechanic has seen all 3 airplanes multiple times now. So there's kind of almost like a get to know it period with the airplane when a mechanic first starts working on one. So it's really helpful to keep maintaining that relationship if you can. Yeah, potential cost savings, potential time savings, potential work quality increase. But obviously with the caveat, sometimes you might have to have someone in an airplane come pick you up. And also with the caveat that our mechanic here is phenomenal.
Yeah, the guy here is great, but this is John Wayne and it's a madhouse. So sometimes if you want an annual done in a couple of weeks, you gotta go over the mountains. There's over 400 airplanes based here. Well, thanks for watching this slightly different video. Check out all the other videos. We got more videos on the Cardinal, on the Bonanza. Stay tuned for a little walk around tour of this beautiful Bonanza and its amazing new panel. So thanks everyone for watching, liking, and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.